Okay, we're going to boil our pre-cooked lobster. The water is a nice rolling boil. So put the lobster in. This is thawed out a little bit. For one lobster, usually didn't quite fit.
I don't think it's going to fit in the pot.
That's okay. One lobster, this little pot will work. So we're going to leave him, he's already pre-cooked, so we're going to leave him in there for about 6 minutes or so. If you have more lobster, you want them in there longer in a bigger pot. I also seasoned it with this Maine sea salt and garlic. Seasoned the water. You can use crab oil or Old Bay, whatever you want, or just plain water. Okay, lobster's done boiling, and see the steam coming off there. Pull them out of the pot. It's super hot. Since we don't want to get water everywhere, I'm going to put them in here and let them cool down for a little bit. Okay, now that our lobster's cooled down, I removed the bands from the claws. I'm going to break them open. Now you want to do it over a dish like this, because otherwise you'll get water in your food. Sometimes there's water in there, sometimes there's not. And then I'm going to show you an easy way to get the tail meat out. See how I'm inserting this fork under there like that? And you just pull, and out comes tail meat, just like that. Okay, now I'm going to pull the claws off, claw, knuckle, and these are soft shell lobsters, so they come apart pretty easy. You can break them in your hands, maybe. I'm doing it over the dish, so you get water everywhere. You got your claw, and right in here is your knuckle. It's a little harder to get out, but it breaks real easy. I'll break that other claw, and if you want, there's a butter dish. You can melt butter to dip your lobster in. Some people like to add lemon juice, cayenne pepper, garlic, whatever your taste buds prefer. Okay, so this is basically the meat you get from the lobster. You got your tail, your two claws, and your knuckle meat. If you want to get really ambitious, you can take a rolling pin and roll from here to here and squeeze out the meat in these little legs. Then if you want to be adventuresome, there's stuff inside here, kind of green colored, called a tamale, kind of pale green. That's edible. I believe it's the liver. So I don't eat it, some people do. Okay, so while the lobster is boiling, we're going to prepare our butter sauce. This is one that we like to use. Use a stick of butter, which when it's melted, it will be about a cup, half a cup of butter. Throw that in there. Other ingredients: paprika, salt, and minced garlic. Keep in mind, minced garlic is a little stronger than your powdered garlic, so you don't want to use too much. And then we got a lemon there. There's some fresh lemon juice in there. Put in a dash of paprika. If you like more, you can put more in. If you like it spicy, you can substitute cayenne pepper for the paprika. That's going to make it spicy. Lemon in there. Add a dash of salt and put it on the stove and let it melt.